Introduction to Physics. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of physics. So, what exactly is physics? Physics is the branch of science that studies matter, energy, and the fundamental forces of nature. It seeks to understand how the universe behaves and the laws that govern it. Physics is crucial because it provides the foundational principles for understanding other sciences, such as chemistry and biology. It helps us explain phenomena, make predictions, and develop new technologies. From the smallest particles to the vastness of the cosmos, physics helps us comprehend the world around us. Let's look at some key concepts in physics. One of the fundamental concepts is force. A force is any influence that can change the motion of an object. For example, when you push a shopping cart, you apply a force that causes it to move. Newton's laws of motion are foundational to understanding force. According to Newton's first law, an object at rest stays at rest unless acted upon by a force. Think of a soccer ball sitting still on the grass. It won't move until someone kicks it. This illustrates the concept of inertia, which is the tendency of objects to resist changes in their state of motion. Another key concept in physics is energy. Energy is the ability to do work and comes in various forms, including kinetic energy, which is the energy of motion, and potential energy, which is stored energy. For instance, a roller coaster at the top of a hill has potential energy. As it descends, the potential energy converts to kinetic energy, causing it to speed up. In our everyday lives, we encounter energy in many forms. When you turn on a light bulb, electrical energy is converted into light and heat energy. Similarly, when you eat food, your body converts the chemical energy stored in the food into kinetic energy for movement and thermal energy to maintain body temperature. Physics is also pivotal in the development of technology. For example, understanding electromagnetism has led to the invention of electric motors, generators, and even modern communication devices like smartphones. Without physics, many of the technologies we rely on today wouldn't exist. In conclusion, physics is the study of the fundamental principles that govern the universe. It helps us understand forces, energy, motion, and the interactions between matter and energy. By studying physics, we gain insights that not only explain how things work but also drive innovation and technological advancement. Gravity, the force that pulls objects toward each other. For instance, when you drop a ball, it falls to the ground due to Earth's gravitational pull. Friction, the resistance that one surface or object encounters when moving over another. For example, when you slide a book across a table, it eventually comes to a stop due to friction between the book and the table. Motion, the change in position of an object over time. When you ride a bicycle, you experience motion as you change your position from one place to another. Inertia, an object's resistance to changes in its state of motion. For example, when a car suddenly stops, passengers lurch forward due to inertia. Energy transformation, energy can change from one form to another. For example, in a toaster, electrical energy is converted into thermal energy to toast bread. Momentum, the quantity of motion an object has, which depends on its mass and velocity. A heavy truck has more momentum than a small car moving at the same speed. Sound waves, sound is a form of energy that travels in waves. When you speak, your vocal cords create sound waves that travel through the air to reach someone else's ears. Light reflection, when light bounces off a surface. For example, when you look in a mirror, you see your reflection because of the reflection of light. Electromagnetism, the interaction between electric charges and magnetic fields. For instance, magnets can attract or repel each other, and electric currents can create magnetic fields. Thermodynamics, the study of heat and temperature. When you boil water on the stove, heat energy is transferred from the burner to the pot, causing the water to heat up and eventually turn into steam. Projectile motion, the motion of an object thrown into the air affected by gravity. A basketball shot towards a hoop follows a curved trajectory due to projectile motion. Simple machines, tools that make work easier by allowing us to apply force more effectively. For instance, a lever, like a seesaw, allows you to lift a heavy object with less effort. These examples illustrate how physics is all around us and governs the way we interact with the world in our daily lives.